I'm at Luna's at Petersham trying their chicken burger. It's a Portuguese style chicken burger. Chicken is nice and juicy, and I really like the flavors with the slaw. I also got their hotcakes for dessert, and it looks so good. Portuguese egg tart custard on top, a bunch of berries, and also comes with vanilla ice cream.
Vanilla ice cream.
The warm hotcakes with the ice cream, so good. Overall, Luna's is really good. I love how big their portions are and how juicy the chicken burger is. Highly recommend getting this one. The hotcakes were great as well. I recommend you guys check this place out.